analysis. Okay, so we've spoken about Power Query, Power BI, Power View, and Power Map. Right? There are some Power BI sites which I would recommend that you go and take a look at. So some of these Power BI sites, what you can do in terms of a Power BI site, if you click on it, you can go and say drill down to a particular customer level, age group, and it will work. It will fly. It will do it on the real time. Similarly, if you have got something like Olympic medal analysis, it will take a while because it's going to run from my SharePoint site, and then we have different analysis here by saying what is the medal which was won by sport, who was the top athlete. So, you know, in the year 1904, you can see that athletics was very popular, tennis was very little, boxing was somewhere here. So what happened a decade later in 2004? Athletics in Olympics are still very, very popular, but then aquatics is as popular as athletics. If you want to see who the top athletes are, you can see that in the Chinese Olympics in the year 2008, maximum medals were won by Michael Phelps. Okay. Similarly, who won it in basketball in the Chinese Olympics? It was won by this fellow, you know, Pondretrix. Who won in the archery? It was Jun Zhang. And who won it at the Greek Olympics? And it was Sun Hyun Park. Right? Similarly, if you want to analyze the top countries by region who participated in Olympics, you get a bubble chart. If you want to take a look at women in Olympics, you can click on any event like athletics. What percentage was women? You can see that 31% was women. In shooting, the percentage comes down to 13%. Swimming, women are doing pretty well in swimming. It's 10%. And then, okay, football. It's almost negligible. I can't read. It's 3 out of 214. Okay. Similarly, cycling track is about 3%. You can see what was the ratio of men and women in different years. Okay. These all visualizations have been done and hosted onto a SharePoint site. You can do the kind of visualization we marked out, we did while we were doing the sample with the sample data, and push it onto your SharePoint site. If you look at the other dashboard that I saw, this is coming from a cloud app. It is hosted on the cloud. You can you can change the metric on the fly. The metric need not be discount quality. It could be transactions, and then it will apply to the whole dashboard over a period of time. Right? So I wanted to conclude by saying that not all business intelligence needs are the same. If they were, this world would be a very boring place. With Microsoft's BI offerings in Azure, you have the flexibility to create the BI environment that best fits your needs. Traditionally, SQL Server and SQL Server reporting services you can run off the cloud, and you can use Power BI and O365, including SharePoint, to create self-service BI. SSAS and SSIS are still not traditionally supported on the or available as platform as a service, but you can always put it inside a virtual machine and use hardware as a service in order to host it. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, we'll just take a look at them.
Sending you some of the questions that we have received so far.
I can't see all of them.
I have sent you 2 so far.
Okay, 1 second.
I've sent you 3 questions and actually
Yes.
4 queries so far I have sent.
Yeah. All right. Question by Sunny Kumar. What is the minimum system requirement